Hi, and welcome to this episode of John's Motorcycle Rescue and Review. All right, it is a gray Pennsylvania morning, and I'm getting the GS750E out. It's 1982, and we are headed to the Lawn Breakfast Ride in Lawn, Pennsylvania. All right, I'm at the ride. Turnout looks nice. Lots of nice bikes. Very cool. The breakfast here is actually really good too. And we'll take a look around, see what we see. Here's a cool customized KZ900 shaft. This one's got the Delcovic pipe on it. It's got the short Delcovic pipe. Got the lower handlebars too. Custom paint. Kind of a cool oldie. This is a cool one. This is a KZ900 LTD. And I wasn't even aware that they made a 900 LTD. So that's kind of cool. It looks like original paint. Looks like a Survivor here. Got the Perker pipe on it. Very, very cool. Well, I'm not much of a cruiser guy, but that's a pretty cool Raider. It's got the kind of custom paint on it. It's probably factory custom. But I'm a sucker for the metallic orange. That's just pretty. And they're fun to ride. Lots of torque. I bet you wouldn't guess what this thing is right away. It's not a Ural. This is a Kawasaki. Looks like a Z900. All custom with a sidecar. Interesting.
You got her clean. It's a nice looking rig.
Beautiful bike. Looking nice in the lineup. That's my 82 GS750. All right, here's a cool one that I haven't seen before. It is a 2022 Harley Davidson. It's the Low Rider ST, and I think the designation is FXLR ST. But it's just a cool bike. I love that kind of the dark gray paint. It's got the magnesium colored wheels. It's got that almost a street glide fairing on there. Just really cool. Comes with the bags and just a nice, just a neat looking model. I haven't seen that one before. It's got the 117 cubic inch motor. I'm sure it hauls. All right, this is a cool one. This is a new Triumph Bonneville bobber, but it's just awesome. This is from the factory. Super cool. of their gold line bikes. Paint looks really nice. All the finish on it really looks good. Really nice retro bobber. The cool old sports standard here. This is a Suzuki Bandit 1200, and it's in really nice shape. It's got the Kirker pipe, Kirker slip-on on it, Corbin seat, and just a neat bike. I've had several of those, and they're a solid performer. Very simple. They're not super sophisticated, but they're a good, solid bike. Here's a familiar bike. My friend John brought his GS 1100E. Beautiful 1983, gorgeous. And he was gracious enough to let me do a review on this bike recently. So if you want to check that out on the channel, I'll post a link here.